Hello from Slovenia again. I have a little project again in my head that I want to try and still have some paints mixed from my previous pours. I just have to make sure that my split cup don't have. They're really hard to clean. This is, I don't know, I just wish that they would be easier to clean. So I have this split cup and I will try to do kind of split cup pour here and see what will happen. And as I said, I have my paints already mixed, so I have some Amsterdam turquoise green, and here is Amsterdam phthalo turquoise mixed with Pebeo iridescent blue green. So this will be one, and I have to have enough for another one. And I have cadmium orange, and I will add a little of this reflex orange into the other orange. Maybe just a little bit. Okay, and then I have cadmium red, and I will add permanent red, violet, two, and some. I hope that I will have enough, because I will need 2 cups. Have to be careful. Okay, and here I have Amsterdam greenish blue, and I will add just some black in between just to darken it up. Oh, and I mixed Amsterdam greenish blue with Pebeo iridescent blue-green. Let's finish this up with black maybe. So this is a plan. I don't know if this will work. I just think that I will go like this. So let's start. Start there. Go around. So that's good. Let's go. That was this. Just get some white like here. Just do the first thing. No, basically. Let's go again. I don't know, we will see. We'll just add some white here and here, just in these two places, because I think that I will need a little more paint, but otherwise I think that I have enough paint, because I have 12 ounces of paint and this is 20 by 60 inch canvas, so I hope that there will be enough paint. And I will grab some cardboard too for corner catcher. Just have to find something. I should prepare myself, I know, but I thought that I will spin it, but this time I really don't know. I will try to tilt it a little bit, so I will just try to walk a little bit this side. Okay, back. Let's go here. I should have grabbed bigger corner catcher. That's how it is if you are not prepared. So let's move this here. As I said, I definitely have enough paint to cover the whole canvas, but I think that this permanent red violet was not such a good idea for adding it in this color palette. And now I will work on my composition. And first I have to bring this thing out. Where are you? I saw this blob that I have, but I don't find it now. I just don't like this part here. So I will take this off and go back. And this corner. Okay, back. Not exactly what I was thinking that I will get, so I don't know. I'll try to spin this a little bit. Kind of like this look like a sunset or something, but just not completely happy with the composition, so I will just try to see. This would be the orientation for my taste, but let's try to walk a little bit. Because I kind of see some waves with reflection of a sun on the bottom, but I just have to work a little bit there, and then I will go back to the middle. I had even in too much paint, maybe. Didn't like that corner neither. Okay. Let's see how this will look now. Back. Now my lines went totally off. And I will probably overstretch this one, I don't know. I just want to get rid of this part here. Maybe I should have left it like it was. Okay. I will stop and wash my hands and take it for a close-up. I really don't like this line here, but I just don't know if I will continue stretching this. It will go totally ziggy-zaggy. That you know that I don't like. Just can't. If I will try to tip this off, probably I will have even more ziggy-zaggy lines. Let's see, because it's not moving much anymore. I will definitely ruin it if I because I kind of like it, kind of, I don't know. When I say kind of like it, this means that I will leave it to dry and try to see how it will look when it will be dry. I really think that I have to add a little blue here on this corner because it just looks so weird. No, where is more blue? I don't want orange in it. Even worse, probably. If I would tip this off a little more, I would be happy, because I see kind of mountains here and the sky there, but this really bothers me and I can't do nothing about it, probably. No, I will leave it. And now I have my hands dirty again. You know me, how I am. Okay, so let me take you down. See, don't like the composition there, because here this part looks like kind of a mountain and it has some nice things in it, and this reminds me of a sky or something, sunset, but just don't think that this bottom part is okay, but I will leave it like it is, because otherwise I will totally ruin it, and I will leave it to dry. And hopefully, if maybe I would bring this orange to this one, that this line will go here, maybe it would be better, but I will try maybe off camera, I don't know. But otherwise it looks interesting. What do you think? I like this sky, have to say. But not sure about the bottom part. So it does kind of look like a landscape painting, and I love landscapes, so I will leave it and see what will happen when it will dry. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye!